What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to multitask and increase your productivity by splitting your screen here in the middle and simultaneously launch two different apps or two different pages, so you can actually, for example, read a text on your left while shopping or navigating on your right. And the coolest part is that you can actually decide the portion which will be occupied by the very first app and by the second one as well. You can give priority to the second one or to the left one according to your requirements and importance. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now, without any further ado, jumping straight into today's video in here, for example, let me just close this second page. Okay, we're talking about how we can actually multitask and split our screen. So for example, here I am on my Safari browser. I'm navigating, reading a specific text or something like that, and let's say that I wish to, for example, bring up a second page. Okay, let me quickly open, for example, my calendar. Let's say that I want to check my calendar, what do I have upcoming and all that stuff. So next up, in order for you to split your screen, all you need to do is hover here at the green maximize section in here. So you want to hover here, or if it doesn't hover, you can simply press and hold and then bring down the mouse all the way to select how you wish to resize or arrange. Okay, so you can go with left side if you want to keep it on left, right if you want to keep it on right, top if you want to keep it at the top, and then bottom if you want to keep it down there. So in my case, I'll split side to side by simply tapping here, and boom, here we go. Both of the apps are automatically arranged in this method. Now let me quickly just try changing this. Okay, I'm gonna press and hold here, there we go, and then I'll be going, for example, with this one right here. There we go. This is how it looks. The second one, not yet, but let me just rearrange the second one here by bringing it down. There we go. We now do have one at the top and one at the bottom. So depending on the resolution of whatever you're doing, you can actually change this scenario. For example, now let's do something a bit different. For example, let me just minimize this. Let me hover, let me tap here on 4. So we do have two apps here on my right, quite interesting. Now let me open, for example, music application. I do have music in here. I'm gonna tap in here 4 as well. There we go. It has also reduced its size. We can reduce it further. Okay, so we can't reduce further due to the size of the app itself. Okay, we can there we go. And then we can, for example, open settings. We can open settings, and then I can do the same, hover it and make it 4, and there we go. We now do have 4 apps side to side. This one didn't work perfectly, but the double one actually did work perfectly fine. So this is how you can actually multitask, split screens here on your MacBook device and increase productivity seamlessly, conveniently, and with just one click. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and do not forget to turn on the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.